Hi guys, so happy you're here today. My name is Heather and I'm actually a certified specialist of spirits. And so we all want to do things that are good for our body, drink things that are great for our body. Of course, cocktails are included in that, but it is so awesome when you find a drink, a juice in this case, like I did with Karuna. And so it comes in many different flavors. It's a natural product. Their probiotics is just really, really good for you. So I decided that since it's the fall and it's absolutely bourbon season, let's make a cocktail that features Karuna with bourbon. And so just keeping it fresh and natural, I decided to add some bourbon, a little bit of agave nectar, some fresh lemon juice, and aromatic bitters. So I thought that, after tasting all of these, because it does come in different flavors, that the mango splash worked the best. So I have this here for you guys to try. Just gonna shake it up a little bit, and I hope you absolutely enjoy it.
Oh, that's really good. It's so perfectly balanced. The bourbon with the mango, it's not a combination I would think of, but it's so good. It's so good.